What's the first question you ask before trusting a new bank with your savings? Is it about the interest rate? The minimum balance? Or is it simply, is my money actually safe? That last one is crucial, especially when you're looking at an online-only option like BrioDirect. You see those competitive high-yield savings rates, and a little voice in your head asks, is this a reliable place to put my hard-earned cash? Let's find out. The short answer is yes, BrioDirect is considered a safe place for online savings. Here's why, and it all comes down to two key factors, who they are and what protection they offer. Firstly, BrioDirect isn't just a random startup. It's the online banking brand of Webster Bank, N.A. This is a significant piece of information because it means BrioDirect isn't operating as a standalone, unproven entity. It's backed by a large, established financial institution. Secondly, and this is the most important part for deposit safety, Webster Bank is an FDIC-insured institution. The FDIC is the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, an independent agency of the U.S. government that protects you against the loss of your insured deposits if an FDIC-insured bank fails. What does that mean for you and your BrioDirect account? It means that your deposits are insured up to the maximum allowable limit, which is currently $250,000 per depositor, per ownership category, per insured bank. So, as long as your total funds with BrioDirect, which are held at Webster Bank, stay below that limit, your principal and accrued interest are protected. Beyond the regulatory protection, BrioDirect employs industry-standard security features for its digital platform. Think encrypted connections, multi-factor authentication, and secure access protocols to protect your information and prevent unauthorized access to your account. So, when you see a great rate from BrioDirect, you don't have to trade safety for a higher return. You get the benefits of a competitive online-only bank, combined with the established security of a large, FDIC-insured parent bank. It's the best of both worlds for modern savers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.